Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Most people don't fail at investing because it's complicated. They fail because they never start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing step by step. No jargon, no confusion, just a simple plan you can follow today. Let's break this down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Get your foundations right. Before you invest, make sure you have an emergency fund, pay down high-interest debt, and understand your monthly cash flow, because investing without a foundation is just risk, not strategy. Step 2. Define your goal. Are you investing for retirement, income, or long-term wealth? Your goal determines your strategy. Step 3. Choose what to invest in. For most beginners, the simplest option is a broad market ETF. It gives you instant diversification without needing to pick individual stocks. Step 4. Open an investment account. This is where you buy and hold your investments. Look for low fees, easy-to-use platforms, and access to global markets. Step 5. Start small and stay consistent. You don't need a lot of money to begin. What matters is investing regularly, because consistency is what builds long-term results. The biggest mistake beginners make? Waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Investing doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to be consistent. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe. Next, we'll show you how to build your first portfolio step by step.